Hey guys, it's Chris, and today I have the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. The Air Jordan 1 Palomino is a sophisticated and bold Air Jordan 1 that has a nice high fashion look that's great for any night out. The Air Jordan 1 Palomino dropped September 2nd, 2023 for a retail price of $180 plus shipping and tax. On release day, I tried for my pair and I actually hit on Nike sneakers and on DTLR. This pair is straight from DTLR because I hit on there first and Nike came second. Since I got my pair from DTLR, I paid a price of $210 versus the $195 I would have spent if I got my pair straight from Nike. Why? Because DTLR charges $15 shipping while Nike has free shipping. The Jordan 1 Palomino features a jet black construction. The jet black leather is tumbled and it takes up the majority of the shoe. The laces, mudguard, quarter panel, upper collar, and winged insignia are all covered in that jet black, while the vamp, profile swoosh, collar overlay, heel foxing, and thread is covered in that premium brown suede. Next, we have a cream midsole, which adds some nice contrast to the sneaker overall. This sneaker definitely had a little bit of hype surrounding it. If you don't know, this sneaker looks a lot like the Jordan 1 Mocha that released in 2020. The Mocha was hyped because it looked a lot like the Travis 1 Mocha, and you know everybody wanted to get their hands on that pair. Getting back into the Jordan 1 Mocha, the difference between this pair, the Palominos, and that pair, the Mocha from 2020, is the color scheme. This pair I have right here in my hands is black, metallic gold, Palomino, and sail. And on the Mochas, everywhere that's black on this shoe was white on that shoe. You can definitely say that this Jordan 1 Palomino was inspired by the Jordan 1 Mocha. This Palomino definitely plays off of that bread or band colorway or color blocking of the Jordan 1. That I said earlier, black dominates this entire shoe. And we don't have black, we have a nice buttery brown Palomino suede all over. On the toe box, on the swoosh, on the collar, on the heel. If you're a fan of Jordan 1s, which I'm assuming you are because you're watching this video, this pair right here is perfect for the fall. It has a nice brown, nice cream midsole, nice black. You can dress the shoe up, dress this down. I know I'm going to get a lot of fits off with this sneaker right here. But the question is, which is better, the Jordan 1 Mochas or the Jordan 1 Palominos? If I'm being completely honest, I'm going with the Palominos, not because I have this pair and I don't have the Mochas, but because this has the OG bread color blocking and the majority of the shoe is black. But I do have one issue with this sneaker, and that's the gold accents on the tongue. I don't know why Jordan Brand decided to put the Nike Air in gold. I guess it was to give this shoe a more premium feel, but the gold just shouldn't have been on here. They should have used that nice Palomino brown or even the nice cream sail that we see on the midsole. If you don't know, this is actually the second Palomino Jordan that released this year. Earlier, we had a Jordan 3 Palomino, which was completely different from this. I actually did an early review of that shoe, so if you haven't checked it out yet, I'm gonna link it down below, and I'll also throw a card up on the screen. The Jordan 3 Palomino was much lighter than the shoe in terms of the brown color. That sneaker also featured cream and a much lighter brown, as I was saying, and also had two different tones of brown playing off each other. While this shoe, the Palomino Jordan 1, only has one shade of brown, and it's just pretty much a simple classic Jordan 1. In terms of sizing, just go with your OG Jordan 1 sizing. There's nothing special or different about this shoe. So once again, take the Jordan 1 sizing you would normally take. In terms of resale value, right now this shoe is tiptoeing around $250 to $270. So if you already have this pair and you're thinking about reselling, I would hold. Because this shoe is brown and black, it definitely has some value, or at least will have some value in the long run. I think in about a year, maybe 2 years from now, this shoe will probably go for around $400 if they don't restock it way too many times. But I'm not a reseller, so don't take what I say for a fact. And also, I don't really mess with resellers, so please leave this shoe for the people that actually want them, like me. Let us cop it, don't buy up all the products, Let people like me, like I said, get this shoe so we can rock it. It's a perfect fall shoe, and I'm glad I got this pair. Nike and Jordan Brand blessed us with a custom box. If you've been watching any of my sneaker videos, you know I love it when Sneaker Brands gives us custom boxes that match the shoes, and Nike and Jordan Brand once again did it again. This box all around is just black, but the Nike symbols and Jordan Brand symbols on this shoe is in a nice metallic gold to match the metallic gold on the Jordan 1 Palomino's tongue. This box is simple but yet eye-catching with a metallic gold, and it'll definitely stand out in my collection behind me. If you're tapping into my channel for the first time, my name is CClaxton, and this is my platform Something Like Media, a hub for all things sneakers, photography, and pop culture. If you like what you see here, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It goes a long way for me, and it's a small step for you. You are watching my sneaker series, Kicks Are for Chris, because my name is Chris, and kicks are definitely for me. Before we go anywhere, let me know down below in the comments, what do you think about the Jordan 1 Palominos? Did you cop? Did you not? Are these a fan favorite? Are you rocking these this fall? Just what do you think about this shoe? If you didn't cop, are you waiting for a restock? Or are you going to pay resale? Let's have a quick dialogue in the comments. Don't be scared. I'm ready to talk to y'all. But I just checked in, and now I'm checking out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Oh shit.